So I've told them many regions, um, earlier government of India has, put so many criteria that you fulfill these criteria, then payment will be given to you. But, after completing all the criteria, now so many issues started coming back again. Like Jalankalan. Jalankalan is a kind of a social audit which, have to be, project wise ID has to be created, and then it is if it is not functional, the reason thereof, and then if it is functioning very good. So therefore, these are the issues which Government of India has put in, and then other one was operation and maintenance. Operation and maintenance part also we have already completed, and Government of Meghalaya has already notified. But now we are stuck up with the 15 Finance Commission tied fund, which was given to the district councils. So now district councils were not given any utilization certificate to the Government of India. Now Government of India is putting a condition that you submit this utilization certificate to the Government of India, then we will start releasing the JJM fund. So Government of Meghalaya is working on it. Chief Minister has a meeting with different officials, and District Council Affairs Minister has also.
Kalong ba ladaka yu kalong bakan siu kan ya kijing tray bro khaj ba ngila pandap ba nagliang jong ki engineer kila pha ki bil hang ni ondal awan ke bisa kalong bakata ngin yo ya ke ba gila dap tray kat kum ke ba kila shnai ke bil
Pak belum kan lu ketika palawan kebak sakut.
kum mangiju pan pahaman ke por baka bil hadu ke bala poi hadu kini ke sngi hadu kini ki sngi hau hang ni po chief engineer kalong ba kumba kendai spa krotam
Kijing tray ba la ada la pendep pun dengan
ke berang sa ro ke dambun namar ba nagaliang jong ngikum ki contractors ki babun mot kila ile skino namar ba ka jing bomyo pisa kalang mla syo ban krishan te ki badang ya tray melu malaro ki don ray ki bla syu sange ano pun turu namar ba ki mla syu ban siu nong